Your 4440 is bogging down under load. Feels like someone's got a hand on the throttle, pulling it back. You check the obvious stuff. Fuel's full. Oil's fine. Still weak. Here's the truth. Power loss on a 4440 almost never has one cause. It's a chain. And if you fix the wrong link first, you waste a day for nothing. Let's go through it in order. Cheapest fix first. Most expensive last. Start here. Every time. Fuel filters clog. Slowly. You don't notice until the engine's under load and starving. Check both filters, primary and secondary. If they're dark, gummed, or you don't remember the last change, that's your problem probably. Next, the fuel tank screen. Down inside the tank, where the pickup tube sits, rust and sediment build up there. Filters look clean, but the tank's choking the pump before fuel even gets that far. And water. Diesel pulls moisture over time. Water in the fuel messes with combustion. And on a machine this age, there's no telling how long that tank's been sitting between fills. Fix the filters. Still losing power? It gets more expensive from here. This is where guys start avoiding the problem, because now it's not a $5 filter, it's the fuel injection pump and injector nozzles. Worn injectors spray fuel wrong. Bad pattern, bad timing. The engine gets fuel, but not the way it wants it, so it can't build power under load. Symptoms: black smoke under load, rough idle, uneven power instead of smooth power loss. Injector testing and pump timing isn't a driveway job for most guys. This is where you start pricing a trip to a diesel shop, and that's not even the next problem. Diesel engines need air just as much as fuel, more actually. Clogged air filter, torn intake hose, cracked boot letting in unmetered air or blocking it entirely. A 4440 running rich because of restricted air doesn't just lose power, it runs hot, runs dirty, and starts eating itself from the inside over time. Check the air filter housing. Check every hose clamp between the filter and the intake manifold. Takes 10 minutes. Skip it, and you'll chase this problem for weeks. Still weak? Now we're getting into engine health itself. If fuel's clean, air's clean, injectors are good, and it's still bogging. The engine itself might be tired. Low compression means the cylinders can't build the pressure needed for full power. That's valve wear, ring wear, or worse. A compression test tells you the truth in 20 minutes. No guessing after that. On the other end, check the exhaust. A partially clogged muffler or bent exhaust pipe traps backpressure. Engine's making power, but it's fighting its own exhaust to push it out. Here's the part that trips guys up. Sometimes it's not the engine losing power, it's something downstream, stealing it. Dragging brakes, a clutch that's not fully releasing. Hydraulic system pulling excess load off the engine when it shouldn't be. Feels exactly like engine weakness. Isn't the engine at all. Before you tear into the motor, rule this out, jack it up, spin the wheels free, see what's dragging that shouldn't be. Fuel, air, injectors, compression, exhaust, drivetrain drag, 6 places. Work them in order, cheapest first, and you'll find it without guessing your way through parts you don't need. A 4440 losing power isn't dying. It's telling you something specific. You just have to know where to listen.